enemies of Ndi Igbo is Ndi Igbo man. Enemies of Ndi Igbo, see, Mazenaka is in prison today, is Igbo man. Blord was even arrested, is Igbo people, because you people are so useless. And all of you that be hiding, one after another. May they kill your brother. If now someone would they support Blord to do that? If now Yoruba, let him be a tribalism. Tribalism what? You come and be rubbishing people's business. They shouldn't buy car from Blord. They should buy your own. All of us there for this internet. Who first call anybody? Call somebody name. Not be Blord done. So you go call his name. So you call every day. They call his name. But 419 scanner. So you expect him to keep quiet. Now the boy have found a strategy to retire to you. As he get back to you now, he say use his app. What you have done is more than using your picture. Somebody come every day, say use it, he's a 419. So you don't want anybody to buy for you. He bring his phone, he crash it down. He send his car, he crash it down. Your brother is not selling car now. Your sister is not selling phone. But people that are doing the main business, you want them to close down. You are evil, very dark black man. Watch me. Starting from now, 17th, 26 April, you start having problem one after another because he decided to divert and using Marine Kingdom to oppress Christians. You learn it hard way. Share the telecast. And John D. say God bless you. He shall go with you. Who cannot watch anyone threatening Ndi Igbo. This is what they do to Mazen Nandekala and is in prison today. Because nobody came out to speak what is supposed to speak. But now we have come. We cannot watch what happened to Mazen Nandekala, to have to be Lord, or to happen to any Igbo man or any Igbo woman, except you're doing evil. If you're doing evil, you end up in a hard way. Celebrate victory. Come on, Prophet David, speak at Libya. The most powerful prophet in the world, 1.60 million angels. Prophet David, I finally destroy very dark black man, Marine Kingdom powers. Don't joke my word. I am the spiritual warlord. All the Babawalawo Marine Kingdoms working for very dark black man have dismantled all their powers. Mark this word. Today is 17th April 2026. Starting from now, where that man will be put into shame because he have decided to use Ndi Igbo to trend and who cannot wash you. Hear this word. Ndi Igbo need a good support very that black man. Starting from now, you will start having one problem or the other. Mark my word. To see your brother in a prison without doing anything, you know that now shout latte. Your useless latte king said his baller. They blackmail people to eat. They run fake NGO. You don't see anything wrong with it. No, a boy that is struggling to do his own business, and I want to destroy him. And I call Naka. Starting from now, your own business will go down. I told you, once I come out to run for your life, I am the man that destroy Akwakoko Kite. I am the one that buy the Buko before Nekli. I am the spiritual warlord, man with 1.60 million angels. But since very dark man decided to be a god over Nigerians, I'll remove it my backup. Starting from now, you end up what? In a hard way. Share the telecast. Ndala. Now they say on a prick. Now no see evil there. Now they defraud people. Now no see evil there. When I go condo one in the fight for justice, why you are blackmailing people? Why are you not calling Banner Boy names? After I beat up somebody, why you not call a DJ? Why you not call up his name? Because he gave you how many million? How many million? What happened to Don Jazzy? You're not calling his name again. He be consent because he give you money. He call away that you've been eating with the video. He call away whiskey never send you. So if everybody become fool and follow your useless latte, useless people, I too spiritual and some Nigerians are too wise to know that you have no job. Omo Abo Prophet David with the spiritual warlord, the man who fought many kingdoms and overcome. Today, you cannot watch Kingdom of Darkness to outshine the Kingdom of Light. Blord have set example, have even built a church to show you he's a righteous man. Even if you think the app eats money, banks, POS have eaten my money, which I have evidence. Can you can correct it? So let us not use because no Ndi Igbo. and I'm going to kill your brother, and I'm going to support him.